Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to enroll for free in this Facebook marketing course. So, as you could see, this is a relatively well rated course, over 4.4 stars, and it's got 437 ratings and over 40,000 students as well. So, now since I have this discount, so I have a 90% off for this course, and I actually need to pay $13 for what would otherwise cost me around $130. So yes, that's a huge discount, but right now I'm looking at how we could get it for free. So what we do is we go to this website, we open it in a new tab. It's called discudemy.com. This website offers a lot of discount coupons, which of course expire after a certain period of time. But in general, they're very useful. If your course is registered, if your course has a coupon at that point, then it is extremely beneficial and you could just enroll into the course without paying anything. So let's just go to the search result page on this Udemy, and in here let's copy the name of this course. Let's just paste it in here and search. Okay, there. So this course is available for us right now. You would just click on this. You could see the same instructor, the same profile image, and then you select a course. Okay, this is the link you would click, which would avail your coupon. Here, let's click on this. Okay, it has directed me to the same course, except that now this is free for me. Whereas in here, I was charged $13. Right now, in this tab, it is absolutely free for me. So I could just select enroll now, and I would automatically proceed to the checkout section. Here the coupon discount, as you could see, has made it absolutely free for me, and I would just select the country in my case, and then I would just select enroll now. And there you go, the whole process has been successful. I could jump into the course right away by clicking on start course, and here I would be directed towards the course content, and there I have saved myself a bunch of money. I could just start to take these lessons, and there I would be ready to finish this course and complete it at my own pace, because now I've got it for free and there is absolutely no charge. So this is how you're going to enroll for free courses on Udemy. Yes, do remember that discount coupons might expire like any other coupons in physical life, in real life. So you could just go on this Udemy and find out the coupons which are there right now and just enroll in those courses without hesitating. Just jump into those.